But for the most part, the thing you need to know is that it's going to work forever, basically. So there's been a lot of like, what is Adobe's future going to be with 6.5? There have been all kinds of people saying it's going to go away, people using it as a mechanism to get them to move to other things, other clouds and stuff like that, saying, oh, you know, it's going to go away really soon, it's going to end of life. It is totally not going to end of life. And that was part of the reason why it's called this new version that they came out with. And if you crack it open and look under the hood, all the binaries and bundles and stuff are called 6.6. But it's not called 6.6. From marketing language, it's called 6.5 LTS for long-term support. The whole idea here is Adobe's trying to say, listen, there are some entrenched customers that really cannot move onto something else. We would love to have them on some of our clouds or something like that, but it just simply is not going to work because they're, you know, a US government, or we've got things in China, or we've got whatever the requirement is. AEM, for all of its warts, is so customizable that it has so many of these, like there's a bank that uses it exclusively as their massive call center CMS for their people internally as their intranet. You can't put that on edge delivery services. That would be impossible. So Adobe's in this for the long run. So 6.5 LTS has a couple of things that it can do. It's for the most part just 6.5. For the most part, it's feature identical to 6.5.22, 6.5 Service Pack 22. The big differences are JDK 11, which is what 6.5 runs on right now, is about to go away. So it's going to be end of life. So as soon as that goes away, then all the service packs that we're all relying on, all the security packs that we're all relying on, are going to go away too. So 6.5 LTS runs on JDK 17. They said, oh, it's going to be 17 forever. We're not going to confront making it work on 21. But then a week and a half ago, they said, okay, actually, it works on 21. So I had to change my slide. So now it works on 17 and 21. There's a couple of things that were deprecated, but most of us don't use them. Things like, what was it before AEM communities? AEM social. So social doesn't work anymore, but then again, nobody uses that anymore. But for the most part, the thing you need to know is that it's going to work forever, basically, until we like all are in flying cars and things like that, right? We're still going to have 6.5 LTS for a while. So the only reason that you really have to move are going to be intrinsic qualities to the product itself, and not what is Adobe going to do to pull the rug out from under me, because they're not. They've got some customers that are simply they're going to be running this for a long